What's going on, YouTube? Today is a bit of a different video, as y'all read the title, and so let's get straight to it. Boom. What do we have here? We have the iBUYPOWER pre-built PC. I know, right? Shocking. It really isn't that big of a deal. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a pre-built. We're going to upgrade this to my liking. That'll handle my needs for 4K editing. Real quick, everyone, I just want to say I'm very thankful for all my viewers out here, for all my subscribers, and I'm thankful for all the new people watching this video currently as we speak. I just spent roughly about $2,200 I believe on this whole entire setup just so we can have 4K videos, because I want everyone, all my viewers and subscribers, to be watching my content in a very nice quality format. So thank you. Thank you. Alright, so I just took it out the box. It looks like this. And there we go. Alright, so alright, and so while we're waiting for that, looks like it's ready, we can actually go ahead and unbox the Titan 360 triple fan from Corsair. And it does come with the IQ Link hub, the system hub. So it's 120 millimeters for the fan, and the width of it is 360, as y'all can see here. Alright, so we got the radiator out of the box here for the entire AIO. And so check this out. Oh my gosh. It's just, it has that brand new Corsair touch. Y'all know what I'm saying? Look at that. This is magnificent right here. And so I'm just trying to be really careful with everything. All right, here we go, guys. First things first, we need to, there we go, perfect. And then we just turn on the switch. There we go. First startup in 3, 2, 1.
Versace on Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make
All right, so this is the part where everyone is waiting for the final build, all put together, all done, brand new parts in the pre-built PC. But before we talk about, we need to talk about the total cost of everything, right? So let's start off with the iBUYPOWER, the actual computer, you know what I'm saying? So that cost me $1373.74, and honestly, that really could have been like $1,100 to $1,200 max, you know what I'm saying? For the parts that it had, especially with the RAM. And you know, I get that it's a pre-built, it's iBUYPOWER, they're not really known to be quote unquote reliable, especially with the power supplies. So that's why I went out and bought myself, you know, an RM850X, right? So moving on to the SATA SSD, the PNY CS900 1TB. It also came with a Discord 1 month nitro free, you know what I'm saying? Ready to redeem now. Anyways, so that cost me $87.91. Good price. Moving on to the Corsair Vengeance for our RAM DDR5. I had to make it 6400 megahertz, right? So I'm upgrading later in the future anyways. So we'll just do fast RAM, 32 gig sticks. You know what I'm saying? Total. So moving on to the AIO, our all-in-one. We got the Corsair IQ Link Titan 360 RX, which features the RGB lighting. And for all you longtime subscribers, you all know me, I don't care about aesthetics, you know what I'm saying? I just like my vehicles and my items to perform. We're all about performance, you know what I'm saying? For the content that I'm doing here for you all in YouTube, we gotta invest a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? And so I decided to go ahead and get the Corsair Titan 360 here, which costs exactly $219.79 on the dot. No complaints there. I'm very happy with it. Moving on to our power supply, like I said, iBUYPOWER supplies are very known for their dangerous power supplies, so I went ahead and bought me this RMX series from Corsair. Very nice. It's got this little modular control on the back, you know what I'm saying? A whole bunch of features with it. It's my first time using it, so far so good. The cost for that was $148.35. Next up, moving down to our hard drive, which is 4 terabytes. You know, storing all our finished projects there. That cost me $76.92 on the dot.